First time ever in history, right here, and you can witness it at the Arnold Classic. This countryman slapped him on the back. His feet are in place. The straps are ready. Citrus Amicus.
Touchdown. Touchdown. 125.
Il suo assistente sdraiato a terra, lui va avanti come un maglio umano.
Stadium. This is it. No, the next one. It's the one after this. Here it is. 426 kilometers per hour. It's an amazing hit by Mads Peter Kolding, and the Chennai Smashers have lived up to their name with a world record. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Against his name now, a swift world record there. For world record smash, and look at the reaction shot there. Look at the height. He's 3 meters and 2 centimeters high. He's got such a great snap to finish off, but look at the reaction time, 0.20, and that is amazing. 420.
Io intanto vorrei salutare i centauri che sono lì, perché... Le ruote vanno in wheeling per lo sforzo di Volcan.
A shallow dive into context. Jumping from 11.52 meters is almost, during the dive, the hour, which is roughly 33 miles per hour. And he jumps into a swimming pool that only has 30 centimeters of...
Going to attempt to wheelie the entire course to prove if it is actually even possible.
He made that look deceptively easy. Heart rate coming right down. He's up to 115 beats per minute there. Can the
Come on, Dogs, let's get this thing over the line.
Yes! He's done it! It's unbelievable! The Abantu TT course has been done on one wheel!
Base jumpers Fred Fugen and Vince Refit prepared for their record-breaking leap by spending time up a Swiss mountain to acclimate to base jump world record by leaping 2,717 feet or 822 meters from Dubai's Burj Khalifa Tower, the tallest building in the world.
Questo è Ivano Rigone. Il suo obiettivo è diventare il numero 1 al mondo. Battere il record mondiale di velocità di chilometro lanciato detenuto dal suo fratello Simone. 251,4 km all'ora. Una lunga rincorsa alla ricerca della massima aerodinamicità. Un'intera famiglia di velocisti Ivo. La vittoria della Coppa del Mondo.
Referred to as the human Popeye, Mustafa Ismail from Egypt has just been awarded the Guinness World Record for the largest biceps, measuring in with a circumference of 25.5 inches, although they're now even bigger than that.
About 65 centimeters, so it's getting bigger.
Like, I eat a lot of, like, if you can take this, like your stomach can take it.
Dal Togo!
I'm an Austrian stuntman. My Guinness World Records are to get birds, so yeah, that's it. Safety is the most important thing when you do a fire stunt, because if nobody's here, it just feels amazing to be a Guinness World Records holder, because there are so many people on the world, and you did it best, or at the moment you're the best of those guys.
Oh my, turn around, girl, let them see you behind as well, just... Have you ever... Did you bet... That is what...
And you get in a different plane than our conditioning. And that makes you a free man.
What's special about Wim is that he kind of has this mind.
Hey!